Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, a man presented the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam some date palms until Banu Qurayza and Banu Nadir were conquered. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned the trees gifted by that man. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, my family asked me to visit the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and request him to return them all or some of the trees which his family gifted to him, whereas the Prophet ﷺ had granted Hazrat Ayman radiyallahu anha those trees. I entered the presence of the Prophet ﷺ and he ﷺ returned me those trees. Meanwhile, Hazrat Ayman radiyallahu anha came and she, putting a garment around my neck, said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give you those trees which Allah's Apostle ﷺ has granted me. The Prophet ﷺ said, O Ayman, leave the trees and you will get other trees in the same number. But she said, never. By him saves whom there is no worthy of worship. He ﷺ said, I will give you in such and such number, until he ﷺ granted her almost tenfold more trees. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4579.